This is AI World. A while ago, I uploaded a reinforcement learning shorts video about balancing a ball. Aren't you curious how I made it? Well, I'm gonna explain it anyway. Honestly speaking, this was just me following Unity's official ML Agents tutorial. So it's not that I built everything from scratch. It's more like I just did the tutorial, Of course, to use this toolkit properly, you do need some understanding of AI and a bit of experience. Oh, and Unity too. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you the process of training this little guy. When you follow the tutorial, you'll see a screen like this. We haven't trained anything yet, but there's already a pre-trained model inside the project. So if you hit play, it looks like it's already smart. But that's just using a brain that already learned everything. Now let's actually train it ourselves. If you run the training in a Python environment, it goes at about 20x speed. At first, obviously the ball keeps falling. It hasn't learned anything yet, so after about 100K training steps, wait, it's already doing pretty well, but you can see the ball is still a bit shaky. Let's keep going. We've hit 250K. It might not look that different, but the ball's movement is noticeably more stable. Around 400K. The ball barely moves away from the center now. So after a total of 500K training steps, you get a single ONNX file. This is the result of what we just trained. Basically, it's the file that acts as the brain. And lastly, if you swap the old brain with the new one, you get the stable ball balancing AI we saw earlier. This video was a rough walkthrough of how you train an AI like this. I'd love to show you more reinforcement learning content going forward. What would you want to see trained next? Drop your ideas in the comments.